Hello guys, can we solve this question? 99 students fail this question. Let's see how we can find a solution to the question. And if there's any other method apart from the method I will use in solving this question, or you have other thing about what we are going to discuss about the solution, you can present it in your comment section. So we have x times x times x times x divided by x plus x plus x plus x to be equals to 16. So if we multiply x times x times x times x, we have x raised to the power of 4. If we add x plus x plus x plus x, we have 4x, which is equals to 16. Now, what do we do now? We can separate this, or let me say we can write it as 1 over 4 times x raised to the power of 4 divided by x raised to the power of 1, because this is just an x which is raised to the power of 1, okay, which is equals to 16. So what do we do next here? If you apply indices rule, okay, since the base are equal here, I can easily see 1 over 4 times x raised to the power of 4 minus 1 is equal to what? 16. Now, if I subtract 1 from 4, we are going to have 3. So we have 1 over 4 times x raised to the power of 3 is equal to 16. So we have 1 times x raised to the power of 3, that's x raised to the power of 3 divided by 4 equals to 16. From here, we can cross multiply. So if we cross multiply, we have x raised to the power of 3 equals to 4 times 16. So let's multiply 4 by 16. So we have 64. We have x raised to the power of 3 equals to 64. So let's move this 64 to the left hand side. So we have x raised to the power of 3 minus 64 equals to 0. So let's continue with x raised to the power of 3. So from here now, we can write this in power of 3 also as 4 raised to the power of 3, which is equals to 0. This is difference of 2 cubes. So recall, if you have a raised to the power of 3 minus b raised to the power of 3, it gives us a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So from here, we apply this into this. So we have x minus 4, then close bracket, s squared plus 4x plus 4 squared. Then we close the bracket is equal to 0. So we can write s minus 4 close bracket open s squared plus 4x Then 4 square will give us plus 16 equals to 0. What this implies is either x minus 4 is 0 or x squared plus 4x plus 16 is equal to 0. So let's write if this imply if x minus 4 equal to 0. So it means our x is equal to, this we move here, our minus 4 become plus 4. So it means our x1, the first x value is what? Is minus, is what? 4. Sorry, is 4. Now, let's look at the second equation, which is the quadratic equation, which is x squared plus 4x plus 16 is equal to 0. So if you look at this quadratic equation, you will not be able to solve it using factorization. So the best way to solve it is to use the formula method. Then from here, you record the formula method. We have A, we have B, and we have C. Our A here is what? 1. Our A is the coefficient of x squared. YB is the coefficient of x, which is 4. And C is the constant, which is 16. So if you apply that here, we are going to have this. Let me apply that now into the formula. The formula says x equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So if you are applying that now, so let's apply that into this now. So we apply that, we have x equals to minus b. What's our b? 4 plus minus square root. Then we have 4 squared minus 4. Our a is 1. Then our c is 16. All divided by 2 times a, which is 1. 2 times 1, 2. So from here now, we can now say our x is equal to minus 4 plus minus. So when we add and subtract square root of 16 minus 4 times 1, 4 times 16, that's 64, divided by 2. Now, here now we still have x to be equal to minus 4 plus minus, what do we have here? We have 16 minus 64, that gives us minus 48 divided by 2. So we have x to be equals to minus 4 plus minus, we can break this one into minus 1 times minus 16 times minus 3 divided by 2. Because if you have 16 times 3, that gives us 48. Then 48 times minus 1, we have minus 48. So we are still on the way. So we have minus 4 now, plus minus square root of minus 1 is I, and square root of 16 is 4. Let's say we have 4i Then square root of 3 is square root of 3. We want to write in short form, divided by 2. So this is what we have. The base, let me say the denominator can be shared by the numerators because we have this sign separating the two. So they can share the same denominator. So we have 4 divided by 2 plus minus 4i square root of 3 divided by what? 2. So from here, 2 here is 1, 2 here is 2. 2 here is 1, 2 here is what? 2. So what do we now have? We have 2 plus minus 2i square root of 3. This is our x. So generally now, we can easily see our x1 is 4, our x2 is minus 2, we have minus 2, oh this is minus 2 from the negative sign here, so we have minus 2 plus 2i square root 3, then the third x is also minus 2 minus 2i square root 3. These are the value of x. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Bye bye.